We're still at Rancho Cucamonga, and this is Archibald Avenue, and then that other intersection there is Baseline Street. So that's where you will, that block over there by Baseline Street, Baseline Avenue, Baseline Road, Baseline something. It's where you find 99 Ranch Market. If you walk up to Archibald, on the right, you'd see some options to eat, including there's a Del Taco there. There's a Mexican restaurant. It's called El Cielito. There's a pizza shop, and all those other smaller businesses. If you're looking for some just good, easy to place to decide on, there's always IHOP as well. So IHOP is just a few blocks up Archibald Avenue and Baseline Street. That's IHOP. And in this business center, there's also other options. There's, let's see, yeah, there's a Wingstop. There's a mustard nuts too. Oh, I'm not entirely sure what that is. Mustard nuts. There's a Rancho Cucamonga cakery, and there's the Wingstop. Mustard nuts too. That looks like it's a Middle Eastern restaurant. Oh, wow. Interesting name. Yeah. So that's you have an IHOP here. You have a Wingstop. You have a Middle Eastern. I'm not sure which Middle Eastern is so broad. Like in Canada, we're spoiled. We have Persian food, we have Lebanese, we have Israeli food. We have lots of Syrian restaurants. What else do we have? We have obviously Turkish restaurants. Yeah. And that looks like those are the options here in the side of Archibald Avenue. Yeah, so for more content like this, hit like and subscribe.